Hello again, everybody. This is Tim at Truphae, and you and I have a special surprise video. Once in a while, a package arrives from Truphae in a FedEx envelope like this, and my instructions are unbox it on camera. So I don't know what's in here. You and I are going to find out together. And I did take the trouble of opening the bag, so you didn't have to wait for that. So let's see what pen we have. Oh, well, wait. It isn't just one pen. It appears to be 3 pens. And since I recognize the package is from LAMY, I bet I know what these are. Yes, sure enough. What we have are 3 of the brand new LAMY Safari Candy Edition. Isn't that a great name for a set of pens? I'm really pleased that LAMY has chosen to be so whimsical with what is such a standard and great pen, but one whose advantage is perhaps that it isn't really expensive. So it's really special that LAMY has given additional attention to such a standard fountain pen. So let's open these up and see what we have. First, we have what is called Violet. Next is what they've named Aqua Marine. And this last one is probably going to be my favorite because I just love the name. The LAMY Safari Mango. Isn't that a great name for a pen? Now, LAMY has called these the LAMY Safari Candy Edition, which I find a little humorous since the only possibility for a candy flavor out of these 3 would be mango, but never mind. So mango, aquamarine, violet. I'm actually happy that the Safari is the pen that was in this package because it gives me a chance just to talk about what a great fountain pen this is. Let me point out something I noticed right away, which is different and unique. So on the Safari, the color variation is typical for LAMY. They make all kinds of LAMY Safari colors, but usually the clip is still a silver color, a chrome plate. Here, I've noticed they have color coordinated the clips on the 3 pens. That's unique and it's special. And for those collectors out there, may well be the only reason you need to own all 3 of these. But the LAMY Safari pen is made of plastic, but it is a high impact plastic. It does not feel cheap at all. It has a friction cap, so you don't twist it on or off. You just push and pull. It features LAMY's standard steel nib, but let me hasten to add, LAMY steel nibs are some of the best there are, especially in this price range. The nib comes in multiple widths on the Safari, extra fine, fine, medium, and broad, and they're easily swappable. On another video, I'll show you how easy it is to swap LAMY nibs, especially, and lots of nibs from other pen manufacturers. So again, it's made of plastic, but the weight is good. Here in the grip section, they've got multiple indentations here around the grip section, which are designed to make a very comfortable place for your fingers to rest and hold almost no matter what your grip. But if you have a standard tripod type grip, then these are perfect. They ship with a cartridge. Usually, yep, there it is, right? And you might be wondering, well, how did the barrel connect to the grip section without puncturing the cartridge? And that is what this little piece of cork is for. It ships with it on there. First thing you want to do is remove it when you're ready to use the pen, in which case the cartridge already placed correctly. And if you're a brand new fountain pen user, you might want to notice which end goes where. And then the only thing a person has to do with the cork section removed is twist the barrel all the way into the grip section. It will puncture the cartridge and you're ready to write. Another wonderful feature on the Safari is this double ink window. So it is very easy to look and see how much ink is left in that cartridge. And LAMY Safaris are cartridge converter pens. That means they use LAMY proprietary cartridges, but they also make a converter which will allow you to fill it with whatever ink you want. And speaking of ink, I know that LAMY already makes, I believe it's called Violet, so it's a purple ink. They have a few shades of green. Obviously there's a green. There is a tourmaline, which is another recent Safari edition, the tourmaline color. I'm not sure which one would be the best match for this, but you could certainly look and see. But for the Mango, they made a special ink called, you guessed it, Mango, in a cartridge and also in an ink bottle. So the LAMY Safari. LAMY claims that it is the best or highest selling fountain pen in the world in its class. I can't verify that, but I can tell you it is an extremely popular pen for many, many reasons, all of which we've gone over. It is durable, great nib, easy to work with, easy to clean, and so reasonably priced. At the time of this recording, right around $30 or so. Truphae has them. In fact, I'm sure they have all three, plus many others besides, available on their website. But this pen is worth owning for every fountain pen user, whether you are an enthusiast. Well, if you're an enthusiast, you probably already have one or several. But if you're new to the fountain pen world and you are looking for a place that may be a next level pen for you, or even a first purchase, this will not break the bank. And for almost everyone, it is a really good experience. It's a good writing experience, and it's an easy way to get into the fountain pen world. So LAMY Safari Candy Edition, just have to love that, in Violet, Aquamarine, and my personal favorite, Mango. So thanks to Truphae for the opportunity to unbox this surprise in front of you, and to LAMY for making such a great, great fountain pen. One additional word to our German viewers: this may not necessarily be the pen that you're going to buy, because chances are you've been using one for years. A lot of European schools, for our viewers in the US and other places, still require fountain pen use for the students in the lower grades. So I know my German friends have been through the lower grades, have probably written with many, many, many of these pens, and it may not be the next one that they want to buy. But for the rest of us, it's a fantastic writing experience and a great fountain pen to have in your collection. So again, this is Tim with Truphae. Always enjoy the time I get to spend with you. If you got any value out of this video, please smash that like button, and remember to subscribe and click the little bell so that you'll be notified when we place new videos. So this is Tim at Truphae wishing you happy writing, and remember to be Incredible.